Uh-oh. You didn't think they'd find the Warlogog from your Mobius? Wouldn't easy. That Lyric and his general was legit. What? You didn't tell us that we had a Warlogog from our universe. There's so much I didn't know when you recreated me. And you give him to that nature snake guy Lyric? And his general? Yeah, I just figured that Lyric's general had it covered.
First you resurrect me minus a leg. Then you let the ravens get away. And now you've allowed the Titans to return to this Earth.
I didn't want to say this to me, but why would you do that, you Baldy McBald? I can't even say it to me. It's just that you messed up big time, Other Me from another dimension. It's not like we can't defeat them, there's like 4 of us, and we have a robotic army.
How can you be so careless, so unfathomably stupid? Oh, I know. It's because everything from your world is just a pea-brain squash.
Ugly cloak version of ours. So you know what? I'm kicking you back in your dimension. Oh no. Oh no, not again! Don't worry, Other Me. At least you have me, cause I don't even trust my Eggman. And I think I know the way. If I consume your power, you will still be able to exist inside of me. Wait, absorbing my power? Wait.
That's crazy.
No one on my side. I've tried to take over the universe
With my friend.
What's happening? A lot of people throwing limbs and stuff.
Looks like our chaos consume our Looks like our chaos consume your chaos is ours.
He's leveling up.
Trying to take over the multiverse.
With Eggman and myself.
This is the unfortunate bending of events.
If you want something done right, you have to do it yourself.
I am chaos no longer.
The multiverse will tremble at the name of...
Hexacron!
Like the shape.
No, not like the shape like me.
Hexacron.
Because I have twice the power I once possessed.
Yeah, and twice the butts.
This dude's got 2 butts.
Of course I do. I have doubled my entire being, so...
So you intentionally gave yourself the 2 butts?
No, I mean, yes. It was intentional. I knew it would happen. But it's not like the 2 butts was the selling point.
It feels like you're really attached to the 2 butts, guy. That's fine. Just go with it.
Too many butt jokes.
Hey, how about you pick on someone your own size? Silver! That's our Silver. What? And don't forget me, Shadow. And who's that? A faker? Hey, I'm not a faker. And whoa, what happened to Chaos? I'm not Chaos. Well, not anymore. I am Hexacron.
Destroyer of universes. With the Warlogog, I can travel the multiverse and bend it to my will, and there is nothing you